Hey guys, just going to show you quickly how to do perspective with your text for a wall layout here in your mockup. I was going to do this in class, but I'm just not going to be there today, so here's your quick little preview. Once you lay it out, and I'm not saying this is good by any means, but I just did it quick, but once you lay out your text like this, I'm just going to lock my background there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of those layers and I'm going to put them in a folder. Okay, so you just drag them all onto that little folder right there, and then it makes that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate that group, folder, whatever. Okay, now this one right here, this is my backup. This is in case I ever need to go back and change it. I'm just going to hide that, right? It's got all my layers in there. Great, I don't need them right now. In my copy, what I want to do here is I want to take all of those layers that I just made, okay, all 5 or whatever it is. You can have an image on there as well. Right click it, and you're going to merge those layers into one. So essentially I'm breaking them down. They're no longer text. They're just pixels now. I'm going to take it out of the folder because I don't really need it, although it doesn't matter. So now I've got this nice clean layout. There is the original, just in case I need to go back and edit something because of a spelling mistake or a spacing issue or whatever. And then here is my new one. And once you've got it merged like this, it's actually really easy. All you're going to do is hold down the control key on your keyboard, and you are going to grab one of your corner handles, and it will bring it out like that. So what I want to do is I'm kind of looking at the bottom line right here, this wood trim. For my bottom line, I kind of want to match that. So something like that looks pretty accurate. And then on here, I don't actually have the top line, but in theory, the top line of the ceiling there would probably be on an angle like that as well. So you can just eyeball it and you have something like that. Okay, so pretty easy to do. Again, you just use the control key. It'll kind of control your ability to do perspective, and you can make it look like however you want. And then if you mess it up, you just go back to this one and duplicate that again, merge them, and then you're done. Okay, that's it.